Thanks for stopping by the Caribou Data Science channel today. This is your channel for all things for data analytics, okay? But before we get started, I do have one favor to ask you today. Actually, you click on that like button for me at the bottom of the screen. Thanks so much, folks. Now let's get on with the show. Okay, so this is what we're going to change it. If you put it here and you open up File Manager, you won't see it. Okay? So both the distribution and the environments where all your projects are stored are now going to be under Documents. So when you open up Documents folder, you'll see them. I'm not going to change any of this stuff here. And I'm going to stop this video right here until this is finished. Okay. Let's go over here. Anaconda. Let's just use. Okay. This over here, this is the current environment. So this is the base environment. Whenever you create a new environment using the conda space. What is it? -env-name to create a new environment. It'll copy the base in, but the first thing we always want to do is what? Conda. See if this works. First thing you do, you always want to update your Anaconda distribution. And of course, the advantage of Anaconda is it manages all the packages for you. You know, it's got all the packages you need to do machine learning and data analytics. Really, Anaconda plus Anaconda plus. Plus ChatGPT plus is a pretty doggone killer combination. It really is. It really is a killer combination. It should give us a list of packages to be updated, I think. See if it does. Okay, so now you can see a list of packages to be installed. Now I'm just going to say yes.